Welcome to Sessions on Python Tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us understanding significance of Python functions. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master industry-ready skills effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution.
This video is about Python function. A Python function is something which resists you to do repetitive tasks. Let us see in the internet. A function in Python is a set of statements that take inputs, do some specific computation and produces output. The idea is to put some commonly or repeatedly done tasks together and make a function so that instead of writing the same code again and again for different inputs, we can call the function, right? So I will show you whatever is written there with the help of examples. We have already encountered functions in our earlier uploads, like we have used print, we have used sorted. So all these things are functions, and if you notice them, you have seen that they start with a opening brace and they end with a closing brace, isn't it? So similarly, here also we are talking about those functions like sorted, like zip, like print. These are all functions which are inbuilt in Python. Here we will talk about user-defined function. That is, you yourself can design a function like print or sort or zip, right? So how you can do that? For that, primarily you have to type a keyword. That keyword is common for declaring any function in Python. So that keyword is def keyword. Okay, this is the def keyword for you. And now I am showing you how to type it and how to do the function declaration in Python. So here we have typed the def keyword and then your underscore first function, that is FNC. Your first function, and then after that colon. And if you are trying to print this information technology program, right, comma Xavier Institute of Social Service, and then you are typing return. So what will happen? This will create the entire function. Return means the function ends here. It is defined here, and this line in between will state that what the function is supposed to do. So once you have done that, it will hardly produce any output for you. It will not produce any output for you. If you hit run, there will not be any output. To have output, what you need to do is that you need to call the function. How you will call the function? Like this. Let's see. If you are calling this function your first function, right, and hit run here, so you see you get the output whatever is written here. Now this is a static function, isn't it? I mean, every time whenever you will call the function, it will type this. You would like to have a dynamic function. So for dynamic function, what you need to do is that you can again define it your dynamic function. Let's say we would like to do a multiplication here. So we need to provide two arguments here. So let's say the arguments be x and y. Okay, and then it ends with a colon. And after that, you are providing the multiplication with m. That is, you are representing the multiplication with m. And after that, you are performing the operation of multiplication. Okay, and finally what you are supposed to do, you need to return the value. That is, return what you will return. Can you guess that what you need to return here? Once you are doing this, you need to return what? That is m. Okay, and now let's see if you have done the right thing or not. Your dynamic function, right, your dynamic function fn. So what will be the input? Let's say 4, 5. And if I hit run here, then what is the output? The output is showing you an error, right? This is not defined. Why? Because as you can see, the same error has happened. These two spellings are not matching. So it is not able to identify that what is the function. What you need to do, you just have to write a C here. Okay. And then let's hit run and you get the results. You change the arguments here. Let's say 100 and 10. What will happen? You run it, you get 1000, right? So this is how you can get a dynamic function like this. After this, what you can do is that you can use something which is known as a lambda function, right? Lambda function or lambda expression for that matter. Okay, so what is this lambda expression? If I provide it as a heading here, so in lambda expression we will not be having so many lines. We will be having only one line and we will not be having any def keyword, right? So how the lambda expression will function? It will not be showing you this many lines of coding, and it will be just a one liner for you, and you will be happy to do this. For example, for a normal function, I am providing you with an example. Let's say definition def a, or let's say we are trying to understand the cube. Okay, so cube of what? Cube of, let's say, x. Okay, and then we will put column here, and then let's say the result r equals to what it will be? X, right? Colon colon, sorry, star star 3. That is, we would be having the finally we would be having the return statement, which is r. Now if we call like this, that is, let's say cube of let's say 10, so and hit run here, the output will be 1000, right? Now if we do the same with the help of lambda, then what will be the output? Let's say r equals to, we need to just write lambda here, and then after that x, and then colon, then x star star 3, right? That's what we are doing here. Okay, and then if we are typing r, let's say 3, let's see what's the result. The result is 27. If again we type r10, the result is 1000, right? Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I am sure that you will be practicing these functions and you will write many functions on your own to automate your Python coding skills, right? And I will rather urge you once again, you please practice all these things so that you can master these things.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.